Hello, I'm Dave Jones from X2O Media, based in Montreal. We have two products that we're showcasing here. OneRoom, which is a learning and training platform, and OneVu, which is a digital signage product. So a little bit about why we think, why our customers think that OneRoom is a very valid solution for hybrid learning, is that 59% of our customers believe that hybrid learning is better than live learning. And 58% of them think it's very effective compared to live learning. If we compare this to traditional online training, 67% of our customers find it much more engaging or more engaging. So welcome to OneRoom. So over here, this is our marketplace where all of our partners, our extensions are hosted. Things like Outlook, Miro for collaboration, Moodle as an LMS. Here you see a video of our integration with Miro. And then to take a deeper dive, we'll have a look at our Outlook integration. So now with OneVu, you're able to schedule a meeting directly in Outlook. So you schedule the meeting, it shows up as a OneRoom meeting in your Outlook calendar. One of the things that we've started adding to the product after this This is our first integration of our first AI feature. So right now we're offering live captioning and transcription of the session that's happening. So here we have a video of showing the AI doing the transcription, and at the bottom here, some captioning. So if we step back and take a larger view of OneRoom, we'll see this is our participant wall, where participants that are remote feel exactly like they're in the session. We have directional cameras, directional audio, so when you're speaking to Serena over there, she'll know that you're talking directly to the instructor, and then when you switch to Mac over there, when he's speaking, there's a direct connection, something that you don't see with traditional learning platforms. So we'll go to the other side. This is our OneVu product that we're launching. We're launching it here. It's been around for a while, but the first time that we launch it here, it's OneVu, and it's all about workspaces visualization or operational visualization. So on this screen here, you'll see a typical office building with a theater. You visualize the number of desks that are available, the rooms that are available, the air quality, and Wi-Fi. So OneVu integrates with external sensors to make this data available for people in the workplace. If we move over here, this is an example of operational visualization where we see order tracking, production status, operating status, and we see production output, on-time delivery rate, and inventory turnover. And here you have a weekly schedule of what's going on. So it's advanced digital signage for companies that want to optimize their workflows.